Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, for the first question given that sample mean x bar is 1,10,110, sample standard deviation S is given as 27,140 and sample size N is 30. Let mu denotes the average 401k account balance. Here we want to test the null hypothesis H naught such that mu is equal to 99,900 against the alternative hypothesis H1 such that mu not equal to 99,900. In order to conduct the test, we have the test statistic T is equal to root n x bar minus mu divided by S. Now let's substitute the values into the formula. We will get it as root 30 into 110,110 minus 99900 divided by 27,140. On simplifying, we will get the value of test statistic as observed t-value is 2.0605. Here, degrees of freedom is n minus 1, which is 30 minus 1, 29. Therefore, critical t-value corresponding to the test statistic and degrees of freedom is 2.4620. Using critical value approach here, observed test statistic is less than critical test statistic. Therefore, here we reject H naught. Here we reject H naught. By using p-value approach, here p-value corresponding to the test statistic and degrees of freedom is 0.0484. Alpha is given as 0.02. Here p-value is greater than alpha. P-value is greater than alpha. Therefore, here we reject H naught. Here we reject H naught. The sample provides enough evidence to conclude that the average 401k account balance has changed since 2017. There is enough evidence to conclude that the average 401k account balance has changed since 2017. For the second question, given x is equal to 96 and sample size n is 300. Let P denotes the true proportion of people who were unemployed for longer than 27 weeks. Therefore, P cap is equal to 96 divided by 300, which is equal to 0.32. Here, we want to test the null hypothesis H naught such that P is equal to 0.4 against the alternative hypothesis H1 such that P less than 0.4. To conduct the test statistic is Z is equal to P cap minus P divided by square root of P into 1 minus P divided by N. On substituting the values, we will get it as 0.32 minus 0.4 divided by square root of 0.4 into 1 minus 0.4 divided by 300. On simplifying, we will get the value of test statistic as, therefore, Z is equal to minus 2.83. The critical Z value is minus 2.33. Here, Z value is less than Z critical. Therefore, here we reject H naught. Here we reject H naught. P value corresponding to the test statistic is 0.0023. Here P value is less than 0.01. Therefore, here we reject H naught. We can conclude that the percentage of unemployed who have been out of work for more than 27 weeks has recently declined. We can conclude that the percentage of unemployed have been out of work for more than 27 weeks has recently declined. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.